You're doing research and you find a paraphrase in an article you are reading from another author, and you want to use that in your essay. How do you cite that source using APA? Well, now, first of all, it's always best to use the original source if you can, the primary source. But sometimes that's just not possible. Maybe you can't find it, or maybe you have a deadline and you don't have enough time. That's where secondary sources come in, and that's what we want to talk about today. Let's imagine you're writing a psychology paper on anxiety and depression, and you find this article by Kate Raymond called Exercise and Mental Health, 2014. Now, in her article, Raymond paraphrases from Daniel Wallace's article that was published in 2010. Now, you want to quote that paraphrase in your essay. How do you do it? Here's how the in-text citation would look with a narrative citation. Wallace's 2010 study found that the benefits of aerobic exercise extend far beyond physical fitness, impacting our mental and emotional well-being. In parentheses, as cited in Raymond, 2014. Now, if you want to use a parenthetical citation, it would look like this. The benefits of aerobic exercise extend far beyond physical fitness, impacting our mental and emotional well-being. In parentheses, Wallace, 2010, as cited in Raymond, 2014. Now remember those commas, they are important. Now this gives credit to both Wallace, who did the original research, and Raymond, where you found the information. Now here's the important part, your reference page. This is where you give full details for every source you cited in your paper. But remember, in APA style, you only include the sources you actually read. So in our example with the anxiety and depression paper, you would cite Raymond's 2014 article, not Wallace's original paper. Why? Because you didn't read Wallace's paper directly. You found his ideas in Raymond's article. Okay, let's see how this looks like in practice. Here's how you would format the reference entry for Raymond's article. Put the last name first, then initials, like this, Raymond, K. Then the date of publication, in this case just 2014. Then the title of the article, Exercise and Mental Health. Make sure to capitalize the first letters. Then put the title of the journal or the magazine. Now this should be italicized like this, Journal of Applied Psychology. Then put the volume number and the issue number in parentheses like this. 104 is the volume number and 2 is the issue number. Then last, put the URL where you found the article. Now this is a lot of information to remember, but fortunately there are online generators like this one here you can use to help you get everything exactly right. So remember, when you're citing a source within a source, use an in-text citation that names both the original author and the author of the secondary source. And on your reference page, just list the source you actually read. Well, I hope this answers your question. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more academic tips to come. Well, I wish you the best on your paper coming up. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.